Welcome to the Zoom tutorial of the Carl Schurz House. The following is a tutorial for successful participation in our digital events. Since a large part of our events take place on Zoom, the following video will show you in detail how to use Zoom as well as how to enter our events. In order to participate, you first need to register. That you can do on our website at carlschurzhaus.de under Events. Here you simply click on the event you are interested in, and at the end of the description you will find the link highlighted in blue, right here. When you click this link, a new window will open. Here you need to enter your data for registration. You have to confirm the email address once again. Then click on Register. You will now be redirected to a page where you will find a link to join the event. The same link will be sent to you by email as well. Therefore, you can simply close the window. If you open your email, you should have received an automated email from an employee of the Carl Schurz House. In this email, you will also find the link to the event under Click to Join or Zum Beitreten hier klicken. You should click this link just before the event starts. Normally, you can join up to 15 minutes before. In order to participate, you have to have the Zoom app on your computer. If not, you need to download the Zoom client. To do this, after clicking the link in the email, select Download Now or Jetzt herunterladen. A dialog box will open that looks something like this. Here you click on Save File. Depending on your browser, you will now see the save file either up here or at the bottom of the screen. Click on it and wait for the Zoom client to finish installing. Now you just need to agree to the privacy policy and you are a participant of the event. It can also be that Zoom asks you to enter the password. This you can also find in your email, right here. Then you come to a waiting room. There you simply wait until the host lets you join the event. You may still need to confirm that you want to participate with computer audio. However, when Zoom opens, make sure your microphone is turned off. This you can do here. If you have a camera, you can turn your video on or off as you prefer. If you have a problem or question, click on the chat icon here and write a message, preferably to the host of the meeting. You can select the host here. To see the speakers in large or small format, you can select the speaker or gallery view right here. When the meeting is over or you want to leave earlier, you can easily leave the meeting by clicking Leave. After you have downloaded Zoom once, you don't need to do it again. Unless you decide otherwise, the Zoom client now stays in your computer. Therefore, in case you have already downloaded Zoom and when you go to the link in your email, after clicking on it, the Zoom client will open and you can join the meeting with your name. If you have any further questions regarding Zoom or any of our events, do not hesitate to write a comment below or contact the team of the Carl Schurz House directly.